Hello everyone. I welcome all class 12 students in this session. We are discussing the genetics. So today in this session, I would like to discuss chromosomal theory of inheritance and linkage and recombinations. So let us first discuss chromosomal theory of inheritance. This theory was given by Walter Sutton and Theodore Boveri in 1902. They stated that behavior of chromosome was parallel to the behavior of genes, and the use of chromosome movement to explain Mendel's law. So, according to this theory, the heredity factors are carried in the nucleus, in the chromatin threads. Mendelian alleles, the chromosomes, are also found in the pairs. The sperm and the egg having haploid sets of chromosomes and fuse to re-establish the number of chromosomes in the diploid state in the zygote. The two alleles of a gene pair are located on the homologous chromosomes in the linear order. And as we all know that the two chromosomes of each kind in a somatic cells, there must be two genes of each kind, one in each of the two homologous chromosomes. So homologous chromosomes synapse during meiosis and get separated to pass into different cells. This forms the basis of segregations and independent assortments. As we all know that a gamete receives only one chromosome of each type and thus only one gene for a trait. The paired conditions is restored by the fusion of the gametes. Now let us compare the genes with the chromosomes. They have slight difference because genes occurs in pairs. They segregate at the time of gamete formation, and that only one each pair is transmitted to a gamete. Independent pairs, they segregate independently of each other. Whereas the chromosomes, they are also occurs in pairs. They also segregate at the time of gamete formation, and only one of the each pair is transmitted to a gamete. But one pair segregate independently of another pair. This is the main difference between the gene and the chromosomes. Now let us discuss linkage and recombinations, which is the experimentally carried out by T.H. Morgan with the help of fruit fly Drosophila melanogaster. So let us discuss what is linkage. Linkage is the physical association of genes on a chromosome, whereas recombinations are the generation of non-parental gene combinations arising from crossing over between non-homologous chromosomes. So, the study of genes that are sex-linked, the Morgan observed that when the two genes in a dihybrid cross which are located on the same chromosome, the proportion of parental gene combinations in the progeny was much higher than the non-parental or recombinant genes. Now the Morgan and his associates, they found that when the genes are grouped on the same chromosomes, some genes are tightly linked and they show very little recombinations. And F2 generation ratio also deviates from the Mendel's dihybrid ratio, that is 9:3:3:1. As you know that when the genes are tightly linked, they show higher percentage of parental combinations. But when they are loosely linked, they show higher percentage of recombinations. In the cross shown in the two dihybrid cross conducted by the Morgan, the cross A shows crossing between Y and W, and cross B shows crossing between gene W and M. Morgan hybridized yellow-bodied and white-eyed female with brown-bodied and red-eye males, that is wild-type cross A, and intercrossed their F1 progeny. Later on, Alfred Sturtevant determined that genes of Drosophila are arranged in a linear order, and he has prepared the chromosomal maps with the position of genes on the chromosomes based on the percentage of recombinations, and he called it as genetic maps. So, thank you for this session.